Hi. Well, hello. Hello. There you go.
Hi, I'm Shelly, and that's Rich, and this is Air to Crown Farms. And we have to do our evening chores and thought you guys might want to come along with us. Hi, cows. Are you guys ready for some hay? Big guys. Hi, Baldy. And Socks. Hi, Bumblebee. Hi, Bumblebee. There's your big mama. There's your big mama. Huh. Yeah. Get back. Get back. Wait. The majority of our beef herd are of the breed Red Devon. Several of them out here are Black Angus, but some of the black ones are actually Devon as well. They come in a couple of colors. We grow that breed of cow because of their grass genetics. They can take this hay without any grain or any assistance in any other way and turn it into delicious beef. So that is one of the reasons that we have the breed, is for their ability to just be on grass solely. Pigs, 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 pigs! What's up, pig? Not hungry? Hey, Smiley. What's up? Yeah? Enjoy your supper. Bye-bye. Hey, chickens. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hello. Hi. Sorry, can you excuse me? Thank you. They're nice and warm.
I bet.
Okie dokie. Okay, it's time to go and check on the lambs. There are a bunch of new ones, and we have blue for the boys and pink for the girls with their numbers, and they look like a bunch of Easter eggs out there running around. The lambs are starting to leap after they've been born. About a week later, they start just jumping and leaping. I just saw little number 4 leaping.
Yeah. Look,
Hi, Ginger.
do you see these?
Oh, parkour off mom.
I have my station all set up. I mark the girls with, it looks like red, but it's pink. The boys with blue. I spray paint the number of their mom. And then They have little bitty ear tags. The ewes, we have ewe lambs, we have the number of the year, so 24, and then the number of the lamb is 15, so 24015, and we'll tag their ears. And then for the little boys, since they aren't sticking around, we just have, 8, 9, 10 for their numbers. This tags it. This is an antiseptic and lubricant to help the ear tags go in. And if their umbilical cords are long and dried up, I'll give them just a little snip. And I have some betadine to help dry that up if we need to. So time to work the lambs. So I see one over there.
Yep.
Sheepsters is there.
Yep.
There's 3 right there.
Yep.
And then there's a set right here inside this house. I don't know if she just had them.
Okay.
Oh, it's a little black one. Or brown?
Oh, she did just.
Oh my goodness, look at those.
Oh, look, Mama. Good job, Mama. Look at you guys.
I think I'll leave them till
Yeah,
tomorrow.
leave them alone. Goodness.
Sometimes it's not.
Was it a no? Come on, Mama. It's okay, Mama.
Good job, Mama.
Good girl.
Good job, Mama.
What do we got? Let me guess. A girl.
You guessed right.
So many girls.
See, her umbilical is dried.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll take it and give it a little clip just so it doesn't get caught on something and rip off. There we go, and it doesn't really need anything on it as far as drying it up. I'll get the ear tag ready. I'll hold her right here between my legs while I get her ear tag ready. She'll be number 15. That's her mama.
Let me get these.
Hello, Mama. She's over here.
So we hurry because Mama's having a panic.
And she was number 25. That's 2 25s we've got, but it is what it is. She's a blue 25. I'll mark in our book. Okay. They're right there. Good job.
You gotta get your spray paint and get your little tattoos and your piercings.
Okay. Good job. Now, I have this ready.
Did you put stuff on it?
Yes.
And she gets her ear pierced.
Go. There's ridges in their ears. There's 3 little ridges. You go towards the center of the ear in the middle of the ridges.
Quick. Just like
Just
getting
like
your ears
that.
pierced.
And she's good. Now get her back to Mama.
Mama!
Here you go, Mama.
Reunited. Good job, Mama.
Hi, ladies.
Hi, pretty girls. What are you guys doing? This is Happy. She's the mama. And this little one doesn't have a name yet. It's a little girl and she was born on Easter Day. You ready to give us some milk, Happy?
Hi, Happy. Happy, happy, happy.
Good girl, Happy. Hi.
Good girl, Happy. Hi, Happy. Happy girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Thank you.
It got darker, didn't it? Hey, Mama. You're doing good, girl. Yes, you are. Good girl. Hi. Thank you. What's your name gonna be? Huh? We need suggestions for a name for her. Come here. You will come here. Hmm? Your little face.